Well, we're back at it. Today is Sunday, the 23rd of March, and we came back up here to Stonywood to finish doing some work that we started yesterday. And it has been a very, very windy March day today. Very windy, and I haven't been able to fly the drone at all. And well, there's a little bit of a breeze going right now, but it's a whole lot less than what we've had most of the day. So anyway, it's been a very productive day, and trying to clean up from the storms that we had last Saturday. Last Saturday we had some really bad storms. So we've been just doing some cleanup work and getting a lot of things done, picking up some branches that had fallen and some branches that got washed down the gully and jammed up. But a little bit of work on the farmhouse. We've started doing some cleanup work and doing some prep work for painting and whatnot down in the farmhouse. So just a little bit of this, a little bit of that, lots of different chores this weekend. And right now it's about 6 o'clock in the evening. We got about an hour of daylight left. And so there's some storms that are starting to roll in. And so I'm going to knock it off a little bit early and head on back to home. And so anyway, I just wanted to touch base with everyone because I haven't been able to do much drone flying lately because of the wind. And we're getting a little bit of a gust right now. So, but anyway, it's always a good time at Stonywood. It's always a lot of peace for me. So I'm always happy to come up here and do what I can do. So I had a really nice, long conversation with my neighbors, Ryan and Anna, today, and that was really good. A little bit of news. I found out they're going to put a great big truck stop in real close to where Stonywood is. So that may change some of the landscape. I don't know. We'll see. That could be good things and probably a little bit of bad things too, and a little bit of this, and a little bit of that. So anyway, it's always good to get news. So not really a whole lot of exciting stuff to talk about, I don't think, other than it's springtime now. Things are starting to turn green. Most of the trees are starting to bud out. I haven't started doing any kind of grass cutting or mowing or anything like that, but I can see that that's going to be coming real soon. I'd say within the next 2 weeks, if not next weekend possibly. So I don't know if you can see what the sky looks like. Yeah, kind of. So also they just had a tornado watch. Tornado watch, I think. Tornado warning, I'm not sure. Anyway, tornado something. And that's coming from the west over here. So the sky over here, I'm looking at some blue sky. So this is where it's coming from. And so that's why we'll be going that way. So it'll be all right. Unfortunately, Fort Cannon's got to stay here and guard the farmhouse through the storm. But he did real good last weekend doing that same thing, guarding the farmhouse. So anyway, I'll turn y'all around so you can see what the sky looks like the other direction. So you can probably see there behind me that the sky's not bad that direction, and that's the direction we're going to get home. So that's good. So anyway, it's been a really nice weekend, and I really just wanted to let y'all know that things are going good. I disappeared a little while, mostly because I couldn't get the drone out. It was too windy. It's March, and the whole month was really bad for the wind, especially with Neo. Neo doesn't handle the wind a whole lot, not as well as some others. One of the limitations on the Neo is that it can't handle a real strong wind. And that's okay for me most of the time. March is kind of tough, a lot of wind. But other than March, it's not usually a big problem. So anyway, So we're getting ready to head home and call it quits for the weekend. But we did get a lot of work done. Oh, so the tree that snapped off way up above the ground that I was talking to you guys about a month ago, well, we cleaned that all up today. My beautiful assistant showed up and helped me, and so we got a lot done and got it all cleaned up. All of that is on a big burn pile now. So so we got that to take care of. We got a burn pile coming up. What else? Grass mowing's coming real soon. We got a lot of big rocks. Hang on, Neo. We got a whole lot of big rocks that washed down from this gully washer, and they've washed all over the place. They're right here, which is where I mow grass here in about a month or less, and so I gotta go around. I'm gonna have to spend just about a whole day going around and getting these rocks, and so that'll keep me busy, and so that's about it. That's what's going on at Stonywood and going on with me right now. It's a wonderful time of the year. The season is changing, and we're switching over from chainsaws and burn piles to lawnmowers and string trimmers real soon, and probably some weed spraying, it looks like, and maybe some bug spray too while we're at it. But that's it. That's what's going on. So I invite you guys to join me this weekend, and we'll see you next time.